Hi developers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Classroom. My name is Kay Young. Yes, as you know, young forever. My divas, I want to apologize because I was out for 3 weeks. I was under the weather. I had a little cold. It wasn't the flu. No, it wasn't the flu. I had a little cold, so I was out. As you hear, my voice is still not back. I'm still a little bit hoarse. Okay. But in today's video, I'll be doing a Easter Bunny candle holder and a recycled cookie can stand. Yeah, right. Okay, but before I go, I want to leave you my daily devotion. Once you carry your own water, you will learn the value of each drop. Isn't that true? With all of that said, let's go DIY. Okay, diva lovers, so these are my Easter Bunny candle holder. These are so pretty. Have you seen? I mean, these are real crystal. And I got it from the thrift store. Real pretty. I love it. Then I have my candle stand. Get these from the thrift store as well. Now, this is my first DIY. So this is what we're going to need. Or this is what I'm going to use. I think I'm going to put some eyes on it. I don't know if I want to go with the crushed stone or the glitter. I'm not decided yet. So that's just for the first DIY. My second DIY is gonna be my candy, and I got this can from Walmart. I'm gonna use them as a stand. I also got some ropes. That I'm gonna use for them. And I got some paint that I'm gonna paint them with. But for the first DIY, as I said, I am confused about the first DIY. But let's do this. I believe I'm gonna put crushed glass. And you're gonna need a Mod Podge. I think I'm gonna do the crushed glass. So I'm gonna use the Mod Podge with the crushed glass. Okay, so alright guys, we know this work already, right? Trust me, we know all this work already. I have to go through no details. So what I'm gonna do is Mod Podge the bottom of these. I'm gonna put on some crushed glass. So this is the first one. Okay. I'm gonna leave it, let it dry a little bit. Okay, while we're waiting on our candle holder to dry, we're gonna spray paint our pan and let that dry, and then we're gonna come back And I forgot to mention I'm using the Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover paint in glass. Okay, I got this from Home Depot. Okay, so while the pan is drying, we are going to double dip the crushed glass for the so we give it 1 coat already, so I'm gonna give it another coat. Okay, so this is where we're at. This is what my pan looking like. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some color. I'm gonna try again a glow in the dark color. I got it from Walmart. It's a glow in the dark color. So I'm gonna see how that works. Okay, so what I did, as I said, I put some glow in the dark. I'm gonna use some yellow one, neon, glow in the dark with black light. Oh, it's come with black light, so I guess I spoiled it. But anyway, I really wanted to pop. And I'm experimenting, okay? I'm doing a little experiment here. Okay guys, so this is what my Easter bunny candle holder look like. I'm gonna put in, I'm not gonna use this. This is what I have on hand now. But I'm gonna get some candle and put it in it. There you go. I like it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Alright, and this is my cookie can stand. So this is it. Now I'm gonna put them on display, but I have to wait until it's get darker because it's supposed to glow in the dark. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on display. I'm gonna glue. Do I want to? I'm kind of gonna glue the two together. I'm not sure yet because probably I want to recycle them in the future. So I'm gonna just let it stay like that. But I'm gonna just put it on display. But I also have a bonus for you guys. Look what I picked up at the thrift store as well. Isn't this stinking gorgeous? I love the color. I really love the color. I'm wondering if I should put some glitter, some stones, gems on it. I'll just leave it like that. I mean, I just love this. This is so stinking cute. But for now, I'm going to leave it, okay? I have some gemstones here that I'm going to put in them. I think that's too much. also have some flowers. That I got from Dollar Tree. I mean, no, that's from Walmart. So we're gonna have I don't have any foam. I always use gemstone to fill my vases. So I love buying them from Dollar Tree and stock up, so I can take them out whenever time I like. And look at that. Isn't this just stinking cute? Just like that. And if I want, I can just rearrange the vase. I just love this vase so stinking much. I don't think I need to do anything to it. I think I need some light inside though. What do you guys think, huh? To bring out the color. It's like a rainbow color. Oh my goodness, this is so stinking cute. So as I said, I'm gonna put them on display, but I have to wait until the end of the it dark, because it's light out now. Wait until it's dark before I can get that effect of the glow in the dark. Okay, alrighty guys, so don't forget, if you like any of this project, okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright, and I'm gonna put them on display so you all can see. Okay, my lovers, so my container is finished, but when I look at it, I said it was too blah. So I did go ahead and put on some flowers leaf. I got these from Dollar Tree. I'll see if we can see it. I got the gold and the silver. So what I did is just put some pattern, random pattern, glue it down, so I have the gold, so I'm going with the silver and gold, and I got some gemstones. These are from the Dollar Tree as well, and just put on the flowers like this. It was simple, so I didn't need to show you all of that. So what I'm gonna do is put on the leaf. I did the silver already. I just want to show you how I did the gold, and I hot glue it. They come with sticker on the back, but it doesn't work. The sticker doesn't work. I put them on and they all fall off, every single one. So I'm gonna use the sticker as well, but I'm gonna use the glue, the hot glue, to hold some of it. And there we have it, guys. My coffee can recycle. And I'm gonna turn the light off and show you. And this is the glow in the dark. And this is my Easter Bunny candle holder. What you guys think? Leave me a comment down the bottom and let me know which one of these DIY did you like. And don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up on which one of these DIY you like. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, turn the notification bell on, so each time I upload you will be first to know. Until I see you in my next DIY, ciao.